Join me as I challenge myself to drink this antioxidant-rich juice every day for a week and see if it really gives me glowing skin. Today, I want to talk about something that I think is really important for all of us who are looking for natural beauty solutions, using antioxidant-rich juices to achieve glowing skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and it's constantly exposed to environmental stressors, pollution, and toxins, which can lead to premature aging, dullness, and damage. When it comes to achieving a radiant and healthy glow, most of us struggle with common skin issues like dullness, dryness, and signs of aging. We've all been there, waking up with puffy eyes, dark circles, and a complexion that looks dull and tired. And let's be honest, it can be super frustrating and demotivating to deal with these issues day in and day out. We often find ourselves turning to expensive creams, serums, and treatments that promise to deliver quick results, but rarely do they live up to their claims. And that's because they're often focusing on treating the symptoms rather than addressing the root cause of the problem, which is what we're going to tackle today. The truth is, our skin is a reflection of our overall health, and it's essential to focus on nourishing it from the inside out. By incorporating antioxidant-rich ingredients into our daily routine, we can fight off free radicals, reduce inflammation, and give our skin the boost it needs to thrive. The antioxidant-rich juice I'll be sharing with you today is packed with powerful ingredients that work synergistically to deliver incredible benefits for the skin. The first ingredient is pomegranate, which is rich in antioxidants like ellagic acid and punicolagens that help to combat inflammation and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next up is green tea, which is a potent source of catechins that help to protect the skin against environmental stressors and promote collagen production for a more youthful and radiant complexion. We're also adding in some turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps to reduce redness and soothe irritated skin. And finally, we're topping it off with some vitamin C-rich pineapple, which helps to brighten and even out the skin tone, while also hydrating and plumping the skin for a more radiant glow. Now let's get to the recipe. To make this antioxidant-rich juice, you'll need a juicer, 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, 1 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds, and 1 cup of brewed green tea. Simply peel and chop the pineapple and turmeric, add them to the juicer along with the pomegranate seeds, and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture into a bowl, then stir in the brewed green tea and serve immediately. By incorporating this juice into your daily routine, you can expect to see a significant transformation in your skin. Your complexion will look more radiant and even-toned, with a noticeable reduction in dullness and dryness. And the best part is, this juice is super easy to make and packed with nutrients that will nourish your skin from the inside out. To recap, today we talked about the importance of using antioxidant-rich ingredients to achieve glowing skin, and I shared with you a powerful recipe that's packed with pomegranate green tea, turmeric, and pineapple. Don't forget to give this juice a try and share your results with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy skin tips and tricks, be sure to check out my video on natural exfoliants for glowing skin.